Hello everyone, let's look at installation process from Windows 11 version 24H2 to version 25H2. Since there's no difference between the two versions, the easiest method is to use the Windows Update settings. Okay, let's dive into the steps. First, open Start and look for Settings. Now let's go to Windows Update. Now, the option to upgrade to version 25H2 should appear automatically now that the update is officially available. However, if it is not, make sure to check this option. Make sure it's turned on and then click the Check for Updates button. Then when you see this message, just click the Download and Install option. Now, the download process and installation might take a few minutes. Now we just need to click the Restart button to apply the changes and switch from version 24H2 to 25H2. And that's it. Now the upgrade process has been completed. Now we can check that we're running the newest version by opening Start and looking for Settings. And then if we go to System, and then if we open the About page, we're going to notice that version has switched to 25H2. Now, do not expect any new features after the installation because this update is only an enabling package that switches the version from 24H2 to 25H2 since both operating systems are identical. As a result, I also want to point out that it's not necessary to use any other methods to upgrade. If you use, for example, the ISO file or the installation assistant, you will trigger a complete reinstallation, which is not necessary in this case if your computer is already running version 24H2. And that's it. Leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.